In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use draw.io diagrams.net. To get started, open diagrams.net in your web browser. This is a popular tool for creating diagrams, flowcharts, and visual plans, and it's designed to be simple once you know where everything is. Before building anything, take a moment to understand the interface. On the left side, you'll see the shape libraries. This is where you can find the building blocks for your diagram. In the center is the canvas, which is your main drawing area where everything comes together. On the right side, you'll find formatting options that let you adjust the appearance of selected items. And across the top, there's a toolbar with common actions you'll use while working. Now let's add some shapes. To do that, simply drag a shape from the left panel onto the canvas. This is the fastest way to begin creating a diagram. Some of the most common shapes you'll use include rectangles for process steps, diamonds for decisions, ovals for start or end points, and arrow connectors to show direction or flow. Using the right shape helps make your diagram easier to understand at a glance. Once a shape is on the canvas, you can move and resize it. Click and drag the shape to reposition it any way you want. If you need to change its size, drag one of the corner handles. Resizing is useful when you want certain steps to stand out or when you need more room for text. To connect shapes, hover over a shape and look for the blue connection arrows. Click and drag one of those arrows to another shape. When you release, a connector is automatically created. This makes it easy to show relationships, sequences, or decision paths without manually drawing lines. Next, you can add and format text. Double-click any shape to edit the text inside it. After entering your text, use the text tab on the right side to adjust things like the font, size, alignment, and color. This is especially helpful if you want your diagram to look cleaner, more consistent, or easier to present. If you make a mistake or no longer need something, deleting it is simple. Just select the item and press delete on your keyboard. When you're ready to keep your work, save the file by pressing Ctrl+S or by going to File and then Save. Saving regularly is always a good habit, especially when you're making multiple edits. Finally, if you want to share your diagram or use it outside the editor, go to File, then Export As, and choose either PNG or PDF. PNG is great for images, while PDF works well for documents and sharing. And that's it. That's the basic process for using draw.io diagrams.net.